Basically, we have 8 characters, and this is a scenario that's happening in a railway station. And we have Thapa, who's like working on the rail tracks, so the new train can go on those rail tracks. And he's Mr. Chaudhary is like our chief engineer out here. And let's see how the first day at the railway station goes.
Tang! Tang! Chaudhary sir! Chaudhary sir! Chaudhary sir!
What, Thapa?
Is this okay, Chaudhary sir?
What, Thapa? You're always working. Come, sit here. We'll talk for some time.
Hey, tomorrow the train will go on this track.
Relax, Thapa. We have so many people working here. Why do you want to worry yourself? Come, sit here. We'll talk. We'll have some suta. Call Basanti. Tell Basanti for a chat.
Basanti, two chai.
Yes, Thapa.
It's too close, you know.
You want sweetie tea or very sweetie tea?
And is this water tea something?
Today also you had WWF with wife. Hi, Chaudhary Sahab.
Hi, Basanti.
You want tea? Look at Vasanti.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Now it's beer time, no? It's cold.
Today I'll have fun with Thapa. So, Thapa, tell me, you've been married for 1 year now.
And go.
How's your married life going now?
What to say, Chaudhary
Eat
sir?
it, love.
Daily working from morning till evening and going to house, eating, sleeping, no fun.
No fun?
No fun, Chaudhary sir.
Come on, let's do some fun today.
Oh my god.
With the bang, with the bang. What do you say?
Okay, movie.
We'll go, have fun, we'll watch movie, we'll complete the work tomorrow.
Okay, Chaudhary.
It is a
Challu is good acting in that.
Thank you, Basanti.
Okay, so this is the first day wherein Chaudhary Saab and Thapa have forgotten what they have to actually be doing, and they've gone for a movie. We'll see how the second day goes at the railway station. We have like a group of young friends who actually want to visit. They're going out of station, and let's see how they go about their second day at the railway station. We have Chulbul and Bulbul.
Oh God! I thought, thank God.
I'll kill you, Roy. You're always in a hurry.
No, that's okay, man.
See,
The train is still
now.
here.
You're already half an hour early.
Oh, I want tea. I want tea.
What? Again flirting?
Louder!
She's so pretty, man.
Roy, I'm sorry. Chulbul, sit. You're always flirting. Come sit. Do something new.
Hey, I want to talk to her.
Okay, sit. No, first sit.
Okay,
Louder.
take care of my bag. I'll just come. I'll have tea and come. But I'm not going to. What was your name?
Some crappy name.
Basanti Tea Stall.
Hello, sir.
What's your name?
Basanti.
Oh, Basanti.
Oh, yeah, this
Basanti,
price.
what do you sell?
Again flirting. I sell tea, cheap, Basanti, secret.
Can I get whatever you have in the shop? Take your own time. We'll talk.
You want everything?
Yes.
All business in one go. Exciting.
So, Basanti, what do you do?
I sing
Sing?
my favorite
You
song.
know, that touches my heart when you sing.
Roy, come. Please be still. 500 rupees, sir.
500. Take 800.
Oh, thank you, sir. You
No
have
worries.
girlfriend?
No, I don't have any.
She's girlfriend.
No, she's no one. She's no
No,
one.
wait, please. This guy and my wife.
So, what's here? I have an extra ticket. Will you
She's
join us?
hungry. Sorry,
She's all the time that. Just ignore her. Let's talk. Okay, so I have an extra ticket. Will you join us for the trip?
No, I like Chaudhary Sahab. I have cross on him.
Okay, anyways, I'll get back.
You give me my 800.
I'm not buying anything. Let's stand over there.
Pa,
On the same day, we also have a newly married couple who are eagerly waiting for the train to leave because they are on their honeymoon. We have Anarkali and Salim.
Oh my god. Salim bhai. Salim bhai. Salim bhai. Salim bhai.
Salim Khan.
Loud, loud.
Anarkali. Restless. Sorry. I heard that train is also getting late and
Loud, loud, louder.
Louder.
Loud, as loud as you can.
Yes, you'll come at a good time, and I'm getting very restless.
oh.
Yeah, I'm feeling thirsty.
Let me get a passport. The Santi. Some water.
Dad, what you want?
I need a glass of water.
Water?
Yeah.
Only water.
Yeah, only water. I don't need you.
Pa,
I'm on a honeymoon. Please.
give 10 rupees. 10 rupees.
Take 20 rupees. Ask me why. Because I'm on a honeymoon.
Give me 50 rupees.
Not again.
Pa,
Love you.
Same day, we have another young lady who's just come back from a big assignment that she had, who's also waiting to get onto the same train.
hello? Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. Yeah, listen. We've got the deal. We've done it finally. What this woman? No, we've done it. I got the paper signed. It's with me. I'm waiting. Madam, go there, no? You wait. These guys, now they wait. These people have no other work. What is it? Give me a tea. These guys are like, some guy flirted with her, something. She only is interested in all guys and girls. No work. Give 10 rupees, bitch. No change. Dog. I'm not dog. I own some butterfly shop. I'm waiting. Just like that. Guys, no more time. You know what? We got the deal. We got it in clothes. Now I don't have to wait for the shit train for hours and hours. I can fly it down. Again, this girl. Yes. Yeah, the deal was very nice. It's like, I can't wait to show you the papers also. How are we going? Yes, straight walk, straight run, straight walk, straight run.
So this is what is happening, and finally the train's blown. It's whistle and the train's on the move. Everybody's getting into the train, and the train finally moves. All the restless people in it. But didn't we all forget something? The track is still not railed. It's not even the double. What's happening?
The bang.
The bang. The bang.
Awesome thing. Chalo. Let's grab whatever you can find.
Take your wallet and Lagan is really taking things.
Satyanas, my business was lost, but now I gain.
Yeah, seriously, get so many things. We can happily enjoy.